Tom's being a lazy ass, and there's not that many like me. So, you have a thing called an escape key. We call it golden key. Right? OS2 1.0 control escape. You're on a task manager. CPM guy was way smarter than that, and well, Gates and his daddy had legal things and screwed people over. But in any case, the point is that the escape key for Epson and BT100 and most terminal programs was exceptionally important. Now, the only reason I know this is because after the secret ho-ho police went over and came knocked on my door, I had to figure out how to get a 7-bit phone system, which I believe was in Maryland, and maybe it was at MIT with a free software guy. Maybe. Well, it seems to make sense to me. Because I found it later when I was at BSU, and then 386 BSD was barely becoming released. And geez, at least I could rent a place, because I can't now. And I only got one session at $9,600 baud, but I thought it was worth $450 fucking a month. In any case, I'm trying to look at some other things here. With control characters and 7N1 and terminal codes, which I'm happy to thank Mark Johnson for that one, because I didn't know his mother was dying of cancer, and I asked why ASCII Express wasn't giving me terminal emulation. So, you can play with the web browser shit, you can post pretty looking shit in there, but you hit the escape key and does different things in Windows and in the X windows. It's a different thing when you have a real terminal doing the terminal code bullshit. That's why beep goes beep. This is the printer did. And even with MAME, they haven't even finished emulation for a proper terminal, so get a hardware one, right? I stuck one on a toilet seat. And not too many years ago, just to fucking prove it. It was still different. So, now, rather than having to cut and paste bullshit into Discord to just say the same goddamn thing, I'll just use video because I can't type or spell, and ain't nobody looking here, right? I don't know. Wazza doodle woo, wazza wonka, wazza wana, wana wazza wazza, wazza woo, wazza wana, wazza wazza wazza, wazza wazza wazza.